What's up everyone? It's Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you a couple of tips if you're a DJ, a newer DJ, entering the entertainment universe and you're looking to grow a brand. You're looking to start a company. You're looking to take your company from level here to the next level. This right here is one of the most common questions that I get asked. And it boils down to having processes, having placement, and having the right support. So processes, have a process for sales, have a process for payroll, have a process for everything. Think about the tasks needed to accomplish all the little things within your business, but also how you handle events, how much you're gonna pay per event based on the services or based on whatever matrix you have. Document it and make sure that everyone that's working for you understands it clearly before they sign up for their parties. 2, you need to have support. And I wanna talk about not just office support, but if you're looking to take your business to the next level, you're gonna need someone more than yourself unless you're gonna dedicate your entire time to just working on sales, marketing, and all the things. I'm talking about things like a CRM, and that's really where it's at. I like to use the DJ Event Planner software. It's kind of a interesting platform that does a lot of things, but it was crafted and really designed for people within the entertainment industry. It allows you to track calendars and to track payroll and to track equipment and so much more. We use it to communicate to our couples, our clients. We use it for our contracts. We use it for our payment processing and so much more. If you want to get information and you're looking for a CRM to balance your business, your life, and all the things that you have going on, I would highly recommend the DJ Event Planner process. And the last thing is placement. I kind of said these out of order, but I think you understand. Placement. This is about making sure that your brand can be seen and found everywhere you possibly can. It's about being in the right place at the right time. It's about taking your time, investing your time in building relationships and making sure that you have the proper marketing collateral so that everyone knows who you are when you're working. It's about placing yourself in the right spaces, within the right vendor network, within the right universe of people to attract your ideal clients. Make sure your website's on point. Make sure you have a TikTok account. Make sure you have an Instagram account for not just yourself, but for your business. Make sure you have a Facebook page. Make sure that you are able to be found on Google and Google Maps and all the things. Wedding Wire, Style Me Pretty, The Knot, and so many more. Placement is everything, and it's the way that people are gonna find you if they don't know about you. Make sure you invest in reviews with people that you've already worked for. Make sure you really do your best to place yourself and your company in front of as many people as possible. I hope those 3 tips help you, and if you're looking to take your brand to the next level, I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel right here. Be on the lookout for more content right here in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Make sure you smash the thumbs up or the heart button down below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer you whatever you ask. Thanks for watching.